Hello everybody, I hope you're okay. I've got an unboxing here and we've got the UNIFI G5 camera, PTZ camera, as well as a corner mount. So first of all, the box has just arrived, you can see. Oh, you can't really see it, but it's quite damaged. It appears to be knocked about a bit. But anyway, that doesn't really matter. I'm sure the camera will be fine. How do I open this one? I'm sure this is not how you're supposed to open it, but this is how I am opening it. So in the box, we've got the G5 camera. It says G5 PTZ there. This is what comes in the box. And then what else have we got? In this very small box, there is the corner mount adapter. Because, of course, I'm going to be mounting this on a corner. So there will be a follow-up video of this one to show you where I'll be mounting these. But this is what we've got, and I'm going to be opening it up now. Oh, it's got one of these nice. It's got this nice pull tab. Let's have a look inside. Opens up at the top. I've dropped the fucker. Open it the other way around would be my suggestion. Let's put that back in there. That's gone well. There appears to be a manual stuck in the top of the box, but we don't need that. Who reads the manual these days? But anyway, here we go. This is what we got. It's got the G5 camera. Looks like this. Got the lens, everything. I won't take that off because I've got to install it up the ladder. It's got the network socket at the top. It takes PoE plus power, and then it sort of rotates around both of these axes, and it looks quite nice. Nice and small. I've got iPhone 7 Plus for comparison. It's about the same height as that. It's a very small camera. Yeah, so that's that. Does that go back in there like that? Please ensure the rubber grommet is securely fastened to prevent water damage. Okay. They've clearly got a problem with the grommet. But there you go. Okay, okay, there's a grommet here. This is the grommet where you've got to put a cable through. But this is what you get here in terms of mounting. So I'm guessing this would screw onto the flat surface. It sort of slides together. That's quite an undoable slide. Note to self, don't slide that together until you're fully ready to put it on. Oh, there's a piece of paper here. That probably didn't help. There you go. I guess cable comes in the back there. That's it. Comes with spirit level, in case you haven't got one. Is that in focus? Oh, there you go. Now we're in focus. Yeah, that's what you get in there. And now we're going to unbox the corner mount adapter. Hopefully without dropping it on the floor. So this is the corner mount adapter, as you can see. Why is this doing such a shit job of focus? But essentially, what's this all about? So this is just a protective cover, I think. And then this is the actual metal corner mount. My guess is that you attach it to the wall here, and then you attach the camera here. I'm guessing it'll come with screws. There's some screws here. They look like wall screws. And then there are more screws here. And then there are two nice small screws, which I'm guessing attach this mount to it. This is a metal production. This is plastic. But this cover is plastic. So they've given you the security you need there on the wall. So it's kind of going to go something like that. I haven't got a screwdriver handy, so we won't be assembling this to look like that. But it'll look like that. Camera in the bottom. Yeah, something like that. It's quite nice and small. Oh, I've taken the lens cover off. That's what the lens looks like, but I'm going to stick that back on. So, that's not really worked. But anyway, this is what it looks like. So, let me talk to you about where I'm planning to put it. So I've just unboxed the camera, and we're now going to be installing it outside, but that'll be another video for you guys. So this was just an unboxing to cover that, but it's going to be going on the corner of my house. Hopefully you should get a nice view, and that'll mean we have 100% coverage of everything in our garden with at least one, if not two cameras, which I think is quite a good success rate. We have over about 40 of them. But yeah, I'll see you in the next one when I'm installing the camera. Hope you enjoyed.